It's the first of the month. My laptop is closed, and an email just landed in my inbox. This month's sales report, fully built, numbers already crunched. I didn't send it. Nobody touched the computer. I had ChatGPT design the exact system that builds this report and emails it to me automatically every single month, forever. In the next few minutes, I'll build the same thing with you, from scratch, and it costs nothing but an Excel file you probably already have. Let's build it. Here's the plan. 3 ingredients: Excel, the free ChatGPT, and something already sitting on your computer, Windows Task Scheduler. No Zapier subscription, no paid automation add-on. ChatGPT writes the code, your PC runs it on schedule without you. Same loop as always. Describe what you want, paste the code back, done. Let's start with the blueprint. Step 1, and don't skip this. Don't write any code yet. Ask ChatGPT to plan the whole thing first. Tell it, I want this Excel report to build itself from raw data and email itself to me every month. What's the plan? And it lays out exactly 3 pieces: a macro that builds the report, a macro that emails it through Outlook, and a scheduled trigger that runs the whole thing while you're asleep. The entire system, mapped out before you write a single line. Step 2, the report itself. Paste in your raw sales data and ask, write me a VBA macro that summarizes this into a clean 1-page report. Totals, top region, and month-over-month change. It hands back the exact macro. Paste it into Excel's VBA editor, run it once, and your messy export turns into a formatted 1-pager. 60 seconds, 0 manual formatting. Step 3, the part that actually saves your mornings. Ask ChatGPT to make it email itself. Add code that emails this report through Outlook to my own inbox, formatted with this month's date in the subject line. It writes a second macro using Outlook's automation object. Paste it in underneath the first, and now one click builds the report and sends it. Step 4, hit run once just to prove it works. Watch it happen. Excel builds the summary, Outlook sends it, and a few seconds later, it's sitting in your own inbox. That part right there, that's already the whole video working. But we are not clicking run every month by hand. Let's make that click disappear completely. Step 5, hand it to your computer. Ask ChatGPT, how do I get Windows Task Scheduler to run this Excel macro automatically on the first of every month? It gives you the exact setup, a scheduled task pointed at your workbook, no clicking, no reminders. Set it once, and it just runs. Forever. That's the whole system. ChatGPT designed it, wrote every line of code, and your computer runs it on autopilot. October, November, December, the report just arrives before you're even awake. You wrote 0 code from scratch. You'll never build this report by hand again. Every prompt I use, the plan, the report macro, the email macro, and the scheduler setup, is in the description, free, in order. The AI voice you're hearing is 11 Labs, that's linked below too. And subscribe, because next time I'm teaching ChatGPT to build a budget forecast that flags overspending before it actually happens. See you there.